Gunung Walat University Forest is located in Sukabumi District, West Java, Indonesia, with an area of 359 hectares. The forest stance is dominated by pine, agatis, and puspa, and managed by Faculty of Forestry and Environment of IPB University. Currently, the area has formed a forest ecosystem with vegetation structure approaching those of natural forests. Right now, we are on our way to Gunung Walat University Forest. After we find this sign, we are already in Gunung Walat University Forest area. And now we have arrived at the base camp of Gunung Walat University Forest. These are the facilities that we have at Gunung Walat University Forest. Let's take a tour to each building, shall we? First, we have Joglo Mess Hall where we can have meals, karaoke, and other fun activities. Then we move to Sanintan Guest House. Next up is Woluan Guest House. Jati, Puspa, and Agatis Guest House. Bungur Guest House. Matua Hall that could accommodate 600 people. Mosque. The beautiful Gunung Walat sky view, and last but not least, our camping ground. Gunung Walat University Forest is an educational forest that is often used as practice grounds for students of IPB University and other universities from inside and outside of the country. Research in this forest is also being done by undergraduates, masters, and lecturers. Up until now, there have been 1,098 studies conducted at Gunung Walat University Forest. Environmental education is also routinely held every year by schools from Sukabumi, Bogor, Jakarta, Bandung, and many other cities from Indonesia. Gunung Walat University Forest is also a tourist destination. Foreigners also come to the village nearby to experience the life of locals. Other than that, the forest has also been used as shooting location several times. Forest trekking, biking, and caving can also be done in here too. Healing forest is a forest therapy that has been popularized by the Japanese researchers in 1982 with the term Shinjin-yoku. The concept is very simple. All we do is walk along the forest track, relax and become one with nature, and free the mind from all tension. Gunung Walat University Forest is a plantation forest that is dominated by agatis, puspa, and pine. It is also rich of wildlife, from mammals, birds, amphibians, reptiles, and butterflies. Since 2009, Gunung Walat University Forest provides the opportunity for the local people to work as tapper in producing sap from pine and agatis trees, which help to improve their economy. Now let me tell you the procedure of the locals receiving profits from tapping saps. First, let's see the process of pan resin tapping. After the locals tapped the saps, the locals brought it to the storage, and then the saps are being weighed in order for the locals to receive coupons. The coupons are handed over from our staff to the locals to receive wages. Gunung Walat University Forest also involves local communities in managing forests through agroforestry programs in the remaining open areas. Several springs have emerged, and the local communities can use the water from those sources to fulfill not only their household needs, but also to irrigate their agricultural field.
Kita di Gunung Walat University Forest baru-baru ini sedang mencoba untuk kerjasama dengan api cabang Sukabumi. Kita mengembangkan koloni lebah trigona yang sekarang ini itama, dan dalam waktu 3 minggu. Dalam waktu 3 minggu ini, alhamdulillah kesesuaian dari kondisi di lapangan sudah cukup bagus. Ini terlihat dari beberapa pot madu yang dikembangkan atau yang disusun. Ini hanya dari 3 minggu ini sudah cukup banyak. Jadi ini menunjukkan bahwa Gunung Walat di sini ini sangat potensial untuk kita kembangkan mengenai perlebahan. Dan mudah-mudahan bisa setelah dikembangkan ini kita bisa menjadi salah satu center untuk pendidikan.
Nektar yang dihasilkan dari kawasan hutan pendidikan Gunung Walat. Jadi ini biodiversitasnya sangat lengkap sekali. Vegetasi tanamannya lengkap, sembarang tanaman hutan. Jadi rasanya pun sangat kompleks dan unik. Rasanya unik karena ini multiflora.
Gunung Walat University Forest Management has implemented a forest rehabilitation program to increase carbon sequestration through cooperation with various multinational companies since 2009 under the scheme of voluntary carbon cooperation. Find out more about us at our social media. And thank you for watching.